Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this is Carmine Sabia for Explain America, and this is a massive shakeup to the Supreme Court case on birthright citizenship. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Those little things really help us out, and they help our channel continue to grow. Birthright citizenship, so you understand, it is my understanding, it's everybody's understanding really, that amendment was put in place in the Constitution so that the children of slaves would be given the same rights as everybody else. I'm talking about the children of slaves brought to this country, not of their own free will, had children here. Those children needed to be seen as full citizens. And that was the point of that amendment. Never do I think the people who framed that particular amendment envisioned anchor babies and birthright citizenship and birth tourism, which is what it's become. People having babies here, and those babies are citizens. It was specifically for one moment in time, and that's it. Now, I hope the Supreme Court sees it that way, but a new boost to that case just came when almost every Republican attorney general in this country filed a brief with the Supreme Court laying out what I just laid out for you and supporting Trump's quest to end birthright citizenship. It's a tough one because the amendment is written in such a way that it's going to be a tough one to win. But I have my fingers crossed that the Supreme Court will look to the actual reasoning for the amendment and do the right thing. I want you guys to watch this and let me know what you think in the comments.
Alert 7-day in the 60s pretty much all of next week until about Thursday when most of us fall into the 50s. But after all the wet weather for the first part of the week will dry out toward Halloween. We'll be right back here on WSMV4.
For details.
Welcome back. Tennessee's Attorney General is challenging birthright citizenship. Jonathan Skrmetti and 23 other states have filed a brief with the U.S. Supreme Court. They're urging the High Court to clarify the 14th Amendment citizenship clause. The states argue lower courts have misinterpreted it to require automatic citizenship for anyone born in the U.S. That's regardless of their parents' immigration status. President Trump signed an order to end birthright citizenship, but federal courts have ruled it unconstitutional. Open enrollment